Heads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yeah, help the bros out. All we asking for is a 100 likes, 100 thumbs up. Hey, we know y'all checking out the video, so just go on us and give us a like. Hey, the sneakerhead bros appreciate that.
Yes, sir. So in this video, we have the rumors and updates. So just to update y'all, we know we have that black toe Jordan 1 low coming out this Friday. Do not sleep on these. I did have exclusive access for these in there. They were sold out. So if you want these, do your footwork, and the hype is real on them shoes. Although they're not going for much over retail price, they're probably going about $25 right now. My size 10, $175 on StockX over retail. But if you want these, put in your raffles and be ready to snatch these up.
Yes,
also,
sir.
today we did have a what?
Shot
drop.
Shot
Shot
drop.
drop.
Yes, sir.
Those Jordan 4 red cement released on the sneaker app. So how did y'all do today, sneakerheads? That anyone was able to cop those?
Hey, let us know.
Let us know in the comments.
Yes, sir.
So I went on there and I just got a new credit card, and I think my payment information was messed up. So I'm not sure if one or not, but so I did enter for both pairs, grade school and men's. On one notification, I did say, sorry, the size you selected was sold out. And then on the second one, it said payment credit card did not go through. So I don't know if I would have won or not, but how did y'all do today, sneakerheads? Let us know.
Yeah. Hey, get at us and let us know.
Are there any rumors out there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, Travis Scott, he's back. Yes, sir. Travis Scott is back. Yes, sir. Hey, it's been a hot summer for this young man. Hey, he got a new album coming out, Utopia. Hey, check that out. Hey, full length, album with some stars on there, star-studded features on there. So check him out. Hey, along with that, hey, he got some Air Force Ones. Hey, look like he's
what?
Yes, sir. It looked like he's following the steps of Drake because everybody should know now.
Certified Lover Boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Certified Lover Boy Drake. Yes, sir. So hey, sneakerheads, if any of y'all got any of those Air Force Ones, hey, let us know in the comment below.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah, comment below on that. But his Air Force Ones is if you want to take a look at those, hey, check out TravisScott.com. You can go check out an image of them there on that website. But like I said, this is Utopia. And it looked like they're gonna have that Cactus Jack logo on the shoe itself, right? So this is like this gonna be a good pair, man. So hey, I just like to give Travis Scott a round of applause, right? Hey, new album.
Get that bag.
Hey,
get that bag, baby.
New album and a
new shoes.
New shoes. Hey, nice work.
Yes, sir.
Nice work. Hey, sneakerheads, if you guys looking to cop those, hey, shoot us a comment and let us know.
Yes, sir. So you know who's back too? Your boy is back. Yeezy.
No, he ain't.
Yeezy.
No, he
Special
not.
K.
Not Special
You know
K.
it.
We only know him
Yes,
as
sir.
Special K.
So it's official now. On August the 2nd through the 8th, they will be opening up some raffles on the Confirm app and at select retailers such as DTLR, Chic, and Hibbett Sports. A total of 9 shoes are scheduled to drop, but Adidas Confirm app only has 3 loaded so far. Starting off with the Yeezy Foam Runners Carbon at a retail price of $90. If you don't know, this is a good shoe to flip for those resellers out there. So if you want these, put in those raffles, sneakerheads.
Hey, then he got those 350s, those bones, that bone. Hey, they going for 230. This is a good shoe to cop, just not to resell them or flip them, but just to have in your collection. I'm a true sneakerhead, so I know I'll be snatching up a pair of those. But hey, comment below, let us know if any of you snatching up any of those.
Yes, sir. Finishing off, we have that Yeezy 500 Bone White at a retail price of $210.
Hey.
Again, these are all on the Confirm app, and the raffles are open. So do your footwork and put in your raffles, and good luck to you. Let us know if you're dropping these or rocking these in the comments.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.